In today's video, let me show you the way that you can add in end screens and cards to your YouTube video. End screen and cards are a great way of engaging your viewers and leading your viewers to more videos on your channel. To add in a card or an end screen, either you can upload a video or do it to an existing video that you've already uploaded. Click on the edit button on the video that you want to add in the end screen or the cards to. To add in the end screen, you need to head over to the video elements option. And here under the video elements, you're going to see both of the options, the end screen and the cards option. First, let's start off with the end screen option. Now here you're going to get two options. Either you can import the end screen from your video, or the better way is to add it manually by clicking on add. Now these are some of the templates that are readily available. The square box is the video that is going to be displayed, and the circle is your profile picture of your YouTube channel. So pick the template that you like. It's going to show you a preview of how it's going to look. You can change the timing of the preview by dragging both of this. This is the subscribe, which is the profile icon, and this is the card. So you can drag the card and the subscribe button or the profile icon to the end of the video. Now, once you've done that, in order to place a video on the end screen, what you can do is select from a few options. You have three options: the most recent upload, best for viewers, and choose specific video. The first option will automatically select the most recent video that you've uploaded. The second option is YouTube will automatically select the best video that YouTube thinks is for your viewers. Last option is selecting the video by yourself. This way you can manually select any video that is uploaded to your channel, and that particular video will be displayed on your end screen on this card. Now, once you like the changes that you made, you can click on save. Once the end screen part is complete, in order to add in cards, you can click on the ads option. Now, similar to the end screen, there are a few ways of adding in cards. Either you can add in a video card, a playlist card, or a channel card. For this video, I'm just going to select a video, click on the plus icon on the right hand side of the video, and select the video that you want to display as cards. Once you selected the video, you can see the card now is displayed on the top right of the screen. You can also drag and drop this card to the timeline on your YouTube video. So for example, if I wanted to show this card at 1 minute 30, because I've said something that is related to this particular video, I can exactly drop this card to this exact timeline, and this card will be displayed on the top right. Once you've done that, you can now click on save. And there you go. Both the end screen and the card now has been added to your YouTube video. You can click on next and then hit save. So that was the quick tutorial on the ways that you can add in end screens or cards to your YouTube video. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.